Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to talk about you are not a designer. No problem. With Zaarla's AI website builder, you can build website in few minutes. You can create, design and build a proper professional website in few minutes and without any technical skill. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first head over to Zaarla's website. This is zaarla.com. Zaarla will guide you through a quick setup process where you enter your business name, select your industry, and here you can see you need to add your business name. What you can do if you need a suggestion in brand building name, so you can use ChatGPT, and here you need to choose your industry category. I will use marketing agency and click on next. Now you have to briefly describe your business. You can use ChatGPT if you want, and here you can see I have written basic details of my business, and now I will click on create my website now and let the AI work its magic. Once you have entered your basic details, Zaarla's AI take over and it writes the content, design and the layout, and it builds a fully optimized website for you. All of this happen in just seconds. There you go, Zaarla has built the website. Now comes the fun part. You are the boss and you can easily make changes anytime with Zaarla's mobile friendly editor. Like you can update text, images or colors. Everything is simple and intuitive. Ready to go live? Just tap launch and your site is live for the world to see. Zaarla's makes sure your business never misses a customer. Add the contact option like phone, email and direction, or boost your local visibility with a Google Business Profile. Plus, every site built with Zaarla scores 99 to 100 in Google's Page Speed Insight. That means blazing fast load times, top-notch SEO optimization, and mobile-first design to keep your visitors happy and your rankings high. And also, Zaarla's also keeps your visitors safe with automatic SSL security and provides expert writing for SEO optimized content. And if you ever need help, Zaarla's world-class support team is ready to assist you. The best part is you can try it for 100% free, no credit card required. After that, it costs you $9 a month, no contracts, no hidden fees. Zaarla's even offers a free custom domain to get your business online faster. So what are you waiting for? Build your website with Zaarla's AI today and watch your business grow without the hassle. To get started and see your website built in seconds, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial on amazing tech tools, and I will catch you in the next one.